Migawo mar somo kwayo Mbalariany ma pacho kaeri ni mondo mi oikre mar rwako somo manyasani mar CBE ka jopuonjre mokwongo donjo e grade mar 10 higa manyien. Kanowuoyo e nyasi mar sidho ogudu ne jopuonjre Mbalariany ma Alupe, jagoro mongirore migawo mar somo mamalo Beatrice Nyangala owacho ni sirikal mamalo chano okenge mibiro tiyo godo e sikunde mag Mbalariany e kinde ma girito jopuonjre mabiro donjo e somo manyasani mar CBE bang' timo penj mag grade 12. Seneta ma Busia Okiya Omutata bende nokwedo yore ma omenda mag somo itiyo godo kowacho ni ok giluwore gi katiba.
We are preparing our universities to receive learners trained under the competency-based education. The CBE represents a paradigm shift from memorization to mastery, from instruction to innovation. The Ministry of Education will remain steadfast in implementing reforms that make higher education more inclusive, practical, and globally competitive.
So when you look around and you see children have been sent away from school because of school fees, you get the ministry giving a fee structure. What are they doing in that part of the Constitution? Why do they have a fee structure when the Constitution says the child is entitled to free and compulsory education? And we have enough money in this country to give every student, every pupil in school up to first degree without requiring them to pay any tuition fees or anything like that.
We ask, continue investing in public universities like Alupe. Support research, innovation, and student welfare. When you invest in universities, you invest in Kenya's future.
Chenro mar chiwo yedhe makedo gi